Hello, my name is Venetia, class 11 AKL2. In the procedure tag this time I will make sweet and sour spicy chicken. Ingredients and cooking process. Chicken, 1 piece of garlic, 1 piece of onion, 1 piece red chili, 1 piece carrot, margarine, dry chicken fork, chili sauce, tomato sauce. Marinate chicken with egg, lime, seasoning, pepper. Put in the fridge for 1 hour. After seasoning, mix the tomato sauce and chili sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, and flavoring according to taste. After the chicken is marinated, cut the chicken with dry flour until it rounds out. Heat the oil on the stove. After the oil is hot, add the chicken and fry until dry. After the chicken is cooked, remove and dry. After that, heat the margarine, sauce the onions, chili, carroten, fragrant seasoning sauce, add enough water, and cook until heat. After the seasoning is thick, add the fried chicken and stir fry until everything is distributed. Sweet and sour spicy chicken. I hope the procedure text this time is useful. Thank you.
I hope the procedure text this time is useful. Thanks you.